So the average function. So the average function returns the average of a set of values. So for example, if we want to get the average of these numbers over here, we can use the average function, and it looks like 5 is the average. So let's check if that is true. So equals the average function, so average, open bracket, highlight the values you want to get the average of. So it's going to get the average of all the cells, or all the values from H4 to H12. So if you hit enter, 5 is the average. Then you can check that out with your calculator if you want to. So the average exercise, let's just do these ones. Let's find the average of the range of cells given. So all we do, equals average, open bracket, highlight the cells we want to get the average of. 25 is the average for this column, and this one over here equals average, open bracket, highlight the values, close bracket, enter. So that is the average function.